Namaskaram everyone. Good evening. Let us begin. Sit straight. Keep your back, neck, and head in a straight line. Gently close your eyes. Let's take the next 30 minutes to connect to the divine, to connect to the powerful and compassionate Hanumanji, who is full of devotion, full of selflessness. Let's connect with such divine attributes. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us begin with the invocation prayer to Bhagwan Ganesha. All together. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Let us take the blessings of Bhagwan Ganesha. Gently open your eyes. So, as I said yesterday, we will start from 21. I will revise. So 21 to 24 we did yesterday. We'll revise that and then we move on to 25 to 28 for today. And if time permits, we will do the revision of the previous chaupais. Repeat after me. राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे हो तन आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी चरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज सम्हारो आपै तीनों लोग हांकते कांपै भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। Let's do one more time. राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे हो तन आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी चरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज सम्हारो आपै तीनों लोग हांकते कांपै पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। I hope the four verses pronunciation and the meaning is clear. Let's move on to verse number 25. Yeah, before that, let's chant Ram Lakshmana Janaki Jai Bolo Hanuman Ki Ram Lakshmana Janaki Jai Bolo Hanuman Ki. Verse 25. Nasai, Nasai, Roga, Roga, Nasai, Roga, Hare, Hare, Saba, Hare, Saba, Pira, Hare, Saba, Pira. So this P is long, Dirga. So you have to say Pira. Nasai, Roga, Hare, Saba, Pira. Nasai, Roga, Hare, Saba, Pira. Japata, Japata, Nirantara. This na is half na. So Nirantara, Nirantara, Japata Nirantara, Hanumata, Hanumata, Bira. Again here first line Pira, second line Bira. Japata Nirantara, Japata Nirantara, Hanumata Bira. Japata Nirantara, Hanumata Bira. Nasai Roga, Harai Sab Pira. Japata Nirantara, Hanumata Bira. So, Japata Nirantara Hanumata. What this second line means is that Japata is repetition. Japata is name. Hanumanji's name, Nirantara, constant repetition. When we are constantly repeating Hanumanji's name, the benefit that Tulsidas ji calls out is one gets free from Nasai Rog, all forms of diseases. Rog means disease, ailments. All forms of diseases, all forms of ailments, pain, suffering, Hare, it will get alleviated, it will be removed. Sab, all. So all the diseases, pain will be removed when one is constantly repeating Hanumanji's name. So that is the japa. Japa means the repetition of the nama. So japata nirantara. It is not just you do once and you will feel the effect. Nirantara. We'll have to constantly be engaged in repetition of Hanumanji's name. So this is the meaning of this verse. Let us chant. नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा, नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा, नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा, नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. Next verse. This is one of my favorite verses. Sankata, Sankata, Te. Sankata, this is ng with half matra. So you will have to say ing. In Tamil, we have ka, ng, ing. That ing we need to use here. Sankata. Sankata, te. Te with a nasal sound. Te. Hanumana. Sankata te Hanumana Chudavai. This is, you'll have to use Mahaprana cha. So Chudavai. Chudavai. Sankata te Hanumana Chudavai. Sankata te Hanumana Chudavai. Mana, mana, krama, krama, bachana. You can either say bachana or vachana. So in many places we have seen we can replace ba with va. Mana, krama, vachana, dhyana. This is Mahaprana dha. So, and it is only half matra. So you can say dhyana, dhyana with an aspiration. Dhyana jo lavai. Mana, krama, vachana, dhyana jo lavai. Mana, krama, vachana, dhyana jo lavai. Sankata te Hanumana Chudavai. Mana, krama, vachana, dhyana jo lavai. So here there are 4 methods that are prescribed. One is through 3 methods that are prescribed where we are remembering Hanumanji through our thought. Mana refers to thought. Through our actions. Krama is action. Vachana. Vachana is a speech. So we thought speech, word, all those is what vachana means. So we are dhyana means we are contemplating. We are meditating upon Hanumanji through these 3 ways. Mana, thought, krama, action or deed. Vachana, through our words, through sound, through our speech. Dhyana jo lavai. Whoever contemplates upon Hanumanji through these 3 ways. Sankata. Sankata means in Tamil we have Sangadam. Sangadam, Sankata. It is the same meaning. It is difficulties, challenges. All those challenges, Hanumanji Chudavai. He will remove all the difficulties, will be freed. He will be freed of all difficulties. Whoever contemplates or meditates upon Hanumanji through these 3 ways. So all the difficulties will be removed by Hanumanji. That is the meaning. Let's chant. Sankatate Hanuman Chudavai. Sankatate Hanuman Chudavai. मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावै. मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावै. संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावै. मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावै. I'm sorry about missing the tune. When I'm chanting continuously, I'm able to remember the tune, but when we break for explanation, I'm somehow losing it. So, Sankatate Hanuman Chudavai. Manakrama Vachana Dhyana Jolavai. Okay, let's move on to 27. Sab, sab, par. Sab para, Rama. These are simple words. Sab para, Rama. Tapasvi, tapasvi. So half sa and this va is Dirgha. This V is Dirgha, so you have to say V. Tapasvi Raja. Sab par Ram Tapasvi Raja. Sab par Ram Tapasvi Raja. Tinake. Tinake Kaja. So see the word Kaja again repeats. Tinake Kaja Sakala. Tinake Kaja Sakala Tuma Saja. So the two lines are quite simple here without any anusvara or visarga. So Sab par Rama Tapasvi Raja. Tinake Kaja Sakala Tuma Saja. So here Tulsidas ji talks about Sri Rama, who is a Tapasvi Raja. Tapasvi here refers to someone who is an ascetic, who is performing his work with a sense of austerity. So, whenever we read about Sri Rama, we always talk about Rama Rajya, the kingdom that he was ruling. There is always a sense of righteousness that was prevailing in his kingdom, and he lived a very detached life. He was the same person when he was in the palace, he was the same person when he was in the forest. So he has that sense of detachment. So that is why he is a tapasvi, he is an ascetic. So Ramji is a tapasvi Raja, sab par, he is the ruler, he ruled over everyone. And Kaja, as we saw in previous verses, it means Ram's work. So for whom? For that tapasvi Raja, Hanumanji, you took care of all his work. You carry on with his work. Sakala means Sakalam, all his work. Sakala Tuma Saja, you are the one who took care of all his work, or you carry out all his work. That is what Tulsidas ji is referring to here. Let's chant. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा, सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा, सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. Okay. Verse number 28. और मनोरथ, मनोरथ. This is Mahaprana. So say it with aspiration. मनोरथ. और मनोरथ जो, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई, सोई. So here it is koi, here it is सोई. सोई अमित, सोई अमित जीवन, जीवन फल, फल. Again this pha is you have to chant with aspiration. Mahaprana pha. So जीवन फल. Do not say pha, it is pha. जीवन फल पावै, जीवन फल पावै. सोई अमित जीवन फल फल पावै. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै. So in this verse, the word manoratha means desires of the mind. Tulsidas ji says, Hanumanji, whoever comes to you with their mind filled with desires, jo koi lavai, you fulfill those desires as well. You fulfill the desires that your devotees bring to you. Soi amita jivan. So the Jivana Phala is called the fruit of life. The final goal of life is Mukti, Moksha. So that is called as Amit. Amit here refers to Amrita, which is immortality. So you also bless your devotees with the fruit of life, achieving Moksha, Mukti, immortality. So here there are two paths. One is the Pravritti path, the path of Pravritti, the path of Nivritti, which one is material life, one is spiritual life. So Hanumanji blesses the devotees depending on in which path they are into. Both materialistic desires, the desires of the mind, Manoratha, or it could also be Amita, which is Amrita, which is immortality. So Hanumanji fulfills the desires in both these paths of the devotees. Let's chant. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै. Okay, let's chant the 4 verses for today in one go. नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै. One more time. नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै। So the 4 verses for today, I hope the meaning and pronunciation is clear. Keep practicing. The more we practice, it will become very easy. Any doubts or questions in from 21 to 28 so far? All clear?
Auntie, I have a doubt.
Yes, Sanjita.
For verse number 26, we have Sankata Te you told Sankata Te Hanumana Churave.
Yeah.
But can we also say say?
Sankata se.
Uh,
Sankata se Hanuman chudavai. I will check and get back to you, Sanjita. Because te usually is given as te only in multiple books, but I will check if any variation is there for say. Okay.
Actually, in the Tamil version of this book, it is showing like that. Sankata se.
Okay. Okay.
And also on the verse 28, the second one, the
Yeah.
second line, Soi Amita, right?
Dasu
Instead in
Amit.
Tamil, it's Dasu Amita. It's true.
Yes, that again I have seen both Soi Amit or Jasu Amit. Both are
Okay.
coming in different places, so you can choose any one.
Okay.
Okay, so let's conclude. Sit straight. Gently close your eyes. Feel the vibrations of chanting. When we chant regularly, you might have noticed that even after the class is over, the verses run in your mind. The vibrations continue. It is called Ajapa Japa, where without any effort, the verses just keep repeating in your mind. It is very natural. That is the power of chanting. The effect is not just for the time you chant. The effect continues after that as well. Let us visualize Hanumanji in front of our eyes. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us conclude with the Dhyana Shloka. Repeat after me. Buddhirbalam yashodhairyam nirbhayatvamarogata ajatyam vakpatutvam cha hanumat smaranat bhavet. Let us take the blessings of Hanumanji. Gently blink your eyes open. So what we are going to do is Monday to Wednesday, we will complete the remaining 12 verses. So the 40 chaupais will be over by Wednesday. Thursday, there is a concluding doha. That concluding doha, it's another 4 lines. We will learn that. And then there is one more Dhyana Shloka. So we will learn these two on Thursday. Friday and Saturday, we are going to do the full Parayana of Hanuman Chalisa. So we will repeat maybe 3 times we will aim, depending on the pace at which we are chanting. 2 to 3 times we will chant on Friday. Saturday, please do take time to attend the live class. So we will conclude on Saturday. So this is the plan for the next 1 week. Yes, Sanjita.
And this duration will be the same, 6 to 6:30.
6 to 6:30, yes. Okay, thank you so much. Have a beautiful evening. I'll see you all tomorrow.